Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to your Instagram story. First of all, let's launch the Instagram app. Then you want to click on the top right corner where you see the another plus sign. You want to click on the plus sign and then you're going to select the option which is says story. It's the third option. Be very careful, there is another option which is story highlight, which is simply trying to give you a recap of all the previous stories that you created, and you can simply repost your previous stories. But now we're going to create a brand new story. This is why we're going to click on the story function. When you're on the story function, you just pick whatever you like to upload. For example, let's choose this image. So we choose our image, and now on the top right corner you will see the note sign. You want to click on the note sign and then you will have the pop-out with all the music playlists. Here you have all the recommendations, not as the For You page, and then you have a lot of browsing feature. For example, if there's a particular holiday, it's Christmas right now, right? You can go over and just pick some Christmas song. When you're ready, you just press on the right side, add song to your post. Then you go back. What else you can actually include? You can include a text, right? You can describe what it's about. You can actually mention someone. Do you see this add sign underneath? You can actually click on the mention sign and you can say, for example, this is Apple something, and you can simply click Apple and you can tag Apple and you can tag many more other people, brands, companies, locations, whatever. On the right side is the actual location optionality, right? If you want to say that you are, for example, in New York at the Apple store, right, then this simply could get larger, could get smaller. You can drag this down. You can make it very, very small. I've seen a lot of people making it so small and putting it like that, like a small tag or small signature. It's very, very, I think, cool and interesting. If you want to unlock more features and more customization, you want to click on the three dots on the top right corner. You click on them and you essentially will have access to effects. Now we can simply drag a storm, as you can see. It's very, very nice, very cute. They call this the aqua glitter, but definitely looks like a snow. We can actually add something else, like more vintagey. I don't know, this is more for like a couple stuff. And as you can see, like basically unlimited options. I think we're going to stick with the snow because it's Christmas. Then if we go back to the three dots, you will see that you can actually draw something. For example, if you wanna say something, or you wanna highlight that this is this or something like that, right? You can also change the shape, change the brush, change the color of the actual brush, right? It could be glossy, make it larger, make it smaller. Essentially a bunch of functionalities. I think it's pretty ugly. This is why we are going to remove all these add-in features. Essentially, guys, this is the function, how you're gonna add music, how you're gonna customize your story, and how you can go about it. I think it's even with my not so professional skills, I think it still looks pretty cool. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.